Another day, another 10 list. Welcome to our video on 10 tips for keeping your car running like new. In this video, we'll be sharing simple and effective tips to keep your car in great condition. From regular maintenance to proper driving habits, these tips will help you to maintain your car and keep it running like new for a long time. So, stay tuned and learn how to take care of your car. 1. Regular maintenance. One of the most important things you can do to keep your car running like new is to stay on top of regular maintenance. This includes things like oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections. Make sure to follow the recommended maintenance schedule for your car, and don't put off any necessary repairs or replacements. 2. Check your tires. Tires are one of the most important components of your car, as they are responsible for keeping you and your vehicle on the road. Make sure to check the tread on your tires regularly, and replace them if they become worn or damaged. Additionally, make sure to keep your tires properly inflated, as underinflated tires can cause a number of problems, including poor fuel economy and uneven wear. 3. Keep your car clean. Keeping your car clean not only makes it look better, but it can also help to protect the paint and other surfaces from damage. Make sure to wash your car regularly, and take the time to clean the interior as well. This will help to remove dirt and debris that can scratch and damage the surfaces of your car over time. 4. Keep your engine running smoothly. Your car's engine is the heart of your vehicle, and keeping it running smoothly is essential to keeping your car running like new. Make sure to check your oil and air filters regularly, and replace them as needed. Additionally, make sure to keep your engine properly tuned, as this can help to improve fuel economy and reduce emissions. 5. Check your fluids. In addition to checking your oil, there are a number of other fluids that you need to keep an eye on in order to keep your car running like new. These include things like transmission fluid, coolant, and brake fluid. Make sure to check these fluids regularly, and replace them as needed. 6. Keep your battery in good shape. Your car's battery is responsible for starting your engine, and keeping it in good shape is essential to keeping your car running like new. Make sure to check the battery regularly, and replace it if it becomes worn or damaged. Additionally, make sure to keep the terminals clean, as dirt and debris can cause problems with the battery's performance over time. 7. Keep your belts and hoses in good condition. Belts and hoses are responsible for a number of important functions in your car, including keeping your engine running smoothly and your coolant flowing. Make sure to check these components regularly, and replace them if they become worn or damaged. 8. Get regular inspections. Even if you stay on top of regular maintenance and keep your car running smoothly, it's still important to get regular inspections. This will help you to catch any potential problems before they become serious, and will also help you to stay on top of things like emissions and other regulations. 9. Use the right type of fuel. The type of fuel that you put in your car can have a big impact on how it runs. Make sure to use the right type of fuel for your car, as using the wrong type of fuel can cause a number of problems, including poor performance and damage to the engine. 10. Drive carefully. Finally, one of the most important things you can do to keep your car running like new is to drive carefully. Avoid rough driving and sudden stops, as this can put a lot of stress on your car's components and cause them to wear out more quickly. Additionally, try to avoid excessive speeds and aggressive driving, as this can also cause problems over time. By following these simple tips, you can help to keep your car running like new for many years to come. Remember, regular maintenance, proper care and attention, and following the manufacturer's recommended schedule are all key to keeping your car running like new for many years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more listen.